Watch me pack my third order from Elizabeth. Funny but short story. I was sitting down in my studio eating and just watching my Shopify live view when a visitor popped on, and then they added to cart and then they checked out, and I was like, what? I was so excited. I was just too happy. And then the next day I received a TikTok message, and this is what it read: from Liz, and I was super stoked, super excited, and she was so excited how excited I was. And here we are, packing my very third order from launch day. Thanks to Liz. I appreciate you so much, sweetheart. Liz, if you're watching, I would love for you to know that your purchase definitely made my day, and I hope it also makes your day once it arrives. And because of Liz's order, I got to mark off my third state, which is Indiana. Yay! Once you received your package, Liz, I would love your honest review. Thank you, Liz.